My name is Simanto Nath and I'm from Assam. I've done my 11th, 10th and 12th in Kendriya Vidyalaya in Assam only, and after that I have done my BTech of in mechanical engineering from Karnataka in Bangalore, and the college name is Simanto Institute of Technology. After that, I have done my BTech in mechanical engineering from Karnataka in Bangalore. This college name was Simanto Institute of Technology. There I passed out in 2021, and then after that I have joined in QSpiders Kolkata. So why QSpiders Kolkata? Because one of my friend who was in Bangalore, he referred me QSpiders. He told like the process of teaching here was very well trained, and they teach all the topics like very simply, and they try to make everyone understand. So it caught my eyes, but I was not able to go to Bangalore because it was far from my place, because I stay in Assam. So then I got to know there was a new branch that was opening in Kolkata, which is close to Assam. So I directly contacted here and got to know like it is all opening and all. So I joined it as soon as possible. And after that, after joining 3-4-5 months of joining, I got the job. I got placed, and I would like to thank our HR teams for that, because they were continuously providing us requirements and all, and they were helping us through all the processes. And a special thank to our SKR sir, who was there with us from the starting till the ending, who was guiding us from each point, from what to do, what not to do, was very helpful. And again for other teachers also who taught us Java, who taught us testing, and who taught us SQL, like Sachin sir and Vishwanath sir and Hemant sir. I would like to thank all of them for their hard work on us, whatever they have done for us. And as well as not only this, from our side also we did presentation, which helps our communication and all. And after that, and I would also want to thank the counselors who was also helping us through all the processes. And in the last, I just want to say thank you Kolkata QSpiders and JSpiders for giving me this opportunity and this platform.